Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of moral science. I hope you all are safe and enjoyed your Navratri and Dashera festival. Now, come back to our class. Today, we will study our next lesson, lesson number 4. I am growing. First, you should know about growth. Growth is the process of growing and development. Here, in this lesson, we will study about physical growth, that is, increase in size, that it includes attainment of full heights and appropriate weight, and an increase in size of all organs. All living things grow up. Now, living things and non-living things. What is living thing? You know, things which can grow, move, breathe, reproduce are called living things. They can also feel emotions like anger, fear, happiness. Like human beings is an example of living things, animals and plants. Like human being increase in shape and size, the weight and height. They increase as they grow. When they grow, their size goes on increasing, and that growth is irreversible. Means when we grow up in size, that is height, it will not decrease. Same way, the seeds sprout and grow into plants and trees. Animals and birds grow up into big ones. Small children grow up into boys and girls, and later into men and women. Plants cannot move from one place to another, but they move their stem to face the sun. And the things which cannot move, grow, breathe, reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. Like bucket, table, chair, they all are non-living things. Do you know what has been happening to you in past few years? You have been growing. Now you are taller and fatter than you were in the nursery class. When you were very small, that time you were very tall. And you can see your photograph and compare them, that you were less tall and less weight. But now you are taller and fatter. Now you grown up, you became taller and fatter. Now you need bigger things like bigger shoes, bigger clothes. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े हो रहे हो, पहले आप छोटे थे तो आपको छोटी छोटी चीज़ें चाहिए रहती थी, छोटे शूज़, छोटे ड्रेस. अब आप जैसे आपकी हाइट इंक्रीज़ हो रही है, आपका वेट भी इंक्रीज़ होता है, आप फैटर होते हो, टॉलर होते हो, उसके हिसाब से आपको बिगर शूज़ चाहिए, बिग क्लोथ्स चाहिए. है ना. So, and you know who makes all living things grow? कौन करता है ये सब? It is God who makes everything grow. जो सब चीज़ को ग्रो करता है. It is God only who make us grow. God is the one who makes everything nice. And God loves us very much. So He cares for us and for our growth. God हमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Therefore He cares us. वो हमारी केयर करते हैं और हमारे ग्रोथ की भी केयर करते हैं. So we must thank God. Thank Him for helping us to grow up. हमें भगवान को धन्यवाद देना चाहिए, थैंक्स बोलना चाहिए कि वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहते हैं, हमेशा हमारे बढ़ने में हमारी मदद करते हैं. So we should thank Him for caring us or for making us wise, because God cares for our growth, and we should also try to grow up as a good boy and girl and worthy child of God, because He cares for our growth. Thank you.